Project.
Providing care to orphans in Horn Africa.
Over the past few decades, Eritrea and Ethiopia has gone through several war cycles, killing hundreds of thousands of people, and resulting in a sheer number of orphan children. Given the dire economic and social situation, there are many orphan children who desperately need sustained support.
Orphan children are exposed in every aspect of their lives to many harms, and therefore are victims worthy of our empathy.
We are a group of individuals committed to serving the Lord in practice, and in particular, in alleviating the rampant orphanage problem in our region.
We believe it is our moral and spiritual duty to alleviate the suffering of orphan children, enabling them to realize their potential and to become contributors to their communities. We intend to support our orphans by facilitating access to food, shelter, and health care,
providing education and vocational training,
facilitating spiritual and psychological support, and also helping integrate to local communities and churches.
Our strategies to implement our project consists of building a network of centralized orphan centers and decentralized orphan support networks. By matching identified and selected orphan children with informal networks of support, of individuals and couples, which we will provide with sustained financial and material support.
Collaborating with local churches to set up support systems for orphan children and providing sustained, financial and material support.
And at last, directly setting up locally managed orphan centers in selected cities, with view to supporting them financially and materially until they become economically viable and self-sufficient. For more information, visit our dedicated website, which we will use to provide information about our projects and to accept donations.
To give your donation, navigate to the donation section of our website, and click on Donate Now. Choose the currency and the amount of money you want to give. If you want to make recurring payments, mark Make this donation every month box, and continue. On the next page, fill in your personal information, such as your full name and email address. Then move on to the payment section. We accept payments made by debit or credit card, PayPal, and SEPA in Europe countries. To donate with your debit or credit card, write down your card number, followed by your due date, CVC number, and zip code. Scroll down in the page and click on Donate.
Thank you for supporting our project.